The 4th of July is more than just a date, it's a feeling. It's summer warmth, the sound of laughter, the smell of grilled food, and the sight of red, white, and blue weaving through every corner of your home. From your mantel to your porch, from the dinner table to the backyard, this holiday is a chance to embrace tradition while also bringing your unique style to the celebration. Whether you prefer rustic Americana or modern patriotic chic, it's about setting the scene for memory making. So let's explore some inspired ways to decorate every part of your home, both indoors and out, for a holiday that feels as timeless as it is fresh. Inside the home, the mantel becomes a focal point for festive storytelling. For a traditional look, consider draping vintage-style flag bunting across the mantel's edge, layered with miniature lanterns, star garlands, or antique finds in weathered red and navy. You might add framed prints with quotes from the Declaration of Independence or watercolor maps of the United States for a touch of historical charm. Prefer a more modern twist? Use minimal flag-inspired color blocking with geometric decor pieces, like vases in bold primary hues and framed abstract art in patriotic tones. Add soft textures, woven throws, checkered pillows, and striped runners to pull the room together with warmth. Candles in clear glass hurricanes with red and blue sand or pebbles bring in subtle color and flickering ambience. The mantel tells the story of your holiday vibe. Whether it's nostalgic and homey or clean and contemporary, it anchors your indoor decor with charm and pride. Feeling inspired by all the red, white, and blue? Like and share this video with friends who love decorating for the 4th of July. The porch sets the tone for the entire celebration. It's the first thing guests see, and it's where casual conversations linger late into the night. Think in layers. Start with a classic flag hanging proudly, then add outdoor-safe textiles like red and white striped cushions, star-spangled pillows, or blue gingham throws over rocking chairs or porch swings. Garlands made of fabric stars or rustic wooden signs with painted fireworks give the space a handmade, Americana feel. Potted flowers in coordinating colors, think white petunias, red geraniums, and deep blue lobelias, add life and natural texture. Line steps with lanterns, LED string lights, or mason jars filled with fairy lights for soft illumination after sundown. Even the smallest porch can be transformed into a patriotic haven with just a few thoughtful accents, turning a simple stoop into the heart of the celebration. Which decor idea are you trying this year? Flag-themed wreaths, outdoor lights, or patriotic table settings? Drop your favorite in the comments. The table is where the celebration unfolds, from burgers hot off the grill to slices of pie shared at dusk. Whether you're hosting indoors or dining al fresco, a well-styled tablescape ties the whole holiday together. Start with a foundation, a linen table runner in red ticking stripe, navy plaid, or simple burlap. Layer plates in a mix of patterns, stars, stripes, and solids all work in harmony when grounded by neutrals. Mason jars double as drinking glasses or vases, filled with daisies, carnations, or mini American flags for a festive, unfussy centerpiece. For a more elevated look, consider white dishware with navy chargers and gold flatware. Use cloth napkins tied with twine and miniature firework picks or name cards. Scatter star-shaped confetti or glass pebbles down the runner for a subtle sparkle. And always add candlelight, whether it's tea lights, votives, or lanterns, it adds that magical, celebratory glow as the sun goes down. It's not about perfection. It's about setting a table that invites people to gather, linger, and toast to freedom. For more festive and seasonal decorating inspiration, subscribe now and never miss a moment of celebration. No matter where you choose to decorate, be it a wide front porch, a cozy living room mantel, or a long family-style dining table, the true unifying thread of your 4th of July decor is you. It's not about rigid rules or following a trend to the letter. It's about weaving your own personality, your family's traditions, and your favorite design touches into the story. Because when it comes down to it, the 4th of July doesn't need to look like a catalog, it needs to feel like home. Creating a cohesive theme doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly. Instead, think in rhythms, layers, and accents. Red, white, and blue are the obvious heroes, but how you use them is entirely up to you. Maybe your take is relaxed and nostalgic, using sun-faded reds and weathered denim blues to evoke the easy feel of summers past. Or perhaps you go bold and graphic, bright cherry reds, crisp whites, and navy blues paired with metallic accents for a punchy, modern look that makes every corner feel festive and fresh. Repetition is your best friend when tying everything together. Think beyond color, repeat patterns and motifs too. Stars could appear on outdoor pillows, paper lanterns, and even in the shapes of cookies on your table. Stripes might run through napkins, outdoor rugs, or even paper straws. The goal is to gently echo elements throughout the space, creating a visual flow that feels natural and thoughtfully curated. Don't forget the power of texture and contrast. Pairing rough with refined adds richness to your scene. Try combining natural woven baskets with glossy dinnerware, soft linen table runners with galvanized steel candle holders, or burlap banner garlands with glass vases full of bold florals. Decorating for the 4th of July isn't just about red, white, and blue. It's not just about color schemes, themed centerpieces, or festive party favors. At its core, it's about crafting a moment that feels alive with memory, filled with intention, and grounded in a tradition that has grown with us through generations. It's about honoring the spirit of independence while embracing the comfort of togetherness. About remembering history not as something distant, but as something that breathes through every detail, the flicker of a candle, the flutter of a flag, the echo of music and laughter spilling into the night air. Every flag strung across the porch rail, every mason jar filled with wildflowers or flickering light, every vintage quilt laid across a grassy lawn, all these things are more than decor. They're rituals in miniature. They are reminders of long summers past, of fireworks watched through drowsy eyes, of bare feet on warm pavement, and of hands held over hearts during the national anthem. There is something profound in how we decorate for this day. We are not just setting a table, we're setting a tone. Each item we place is an invitation. An invitation to slow down, to connect, to celebrate. To bring loved ones together around shared stories, family recipes, and the kind of laughter that ripples through generations. We fold tradition into our surroundings, not because we have to, but because it feels right. The magic lies in the layers. The way sparklers are handed out just before dusk. The way a breeze catches a paper star garland and makes it dance. The way glow from string lights turns ordinary chairs into cozy havens, where people gather and stay long after the fireworks have ended. These are the things that turn a house into a celebration. Not just the visual elements, but the emotional resonance behind them. Even the smallest effort, one candle, one ribbon, one song played from a memory-filled playlist, can carry weight. Because the art of celebration doesn't require extravagance. It requires meaning, presence, heart. And as the evening deepens and the first spark of fireworks lights up the sky, there's a collective pause, a shared breath. It's in this pause that everything comes together. The lights, the warmth, the color, the laughter, it all fuses into something more. It becomes part of the memory. A shared rhythm that will return again next year, different and yet familiar. So as the day unfolds into golden hour and slips quietly into night, your home, styled with care, layered with joy, and full of the people who matter most, transforms. It's no longer just a backdrop for the holiday. It becomes a living expression of what the 4th of July truly represents: freedom, yes, but also connection, reflection, belonging, and joy. And it's in that space, where tradition and personal expression meet under open skies, that the spirit of independence doesn't just shine.